All right, let's talk renovation loans. We've been getting a lot of calls from clients who are wanting to pull money out of their home in order to do renovations or remodels on their house. One of the issues that we continually run into is that when you're pulling or doing a cash out refinance, you can only go up to 80% of the value of your home. And in some cases, that's just not enough for the renovation costs that some of our clients are experiencing. There is a solution. There's another product called a renovation loan. The difference between a renovation loan and a cash out refinance is that on a renovation loan, the benefit is you actually get to pull out the same 80%, but instead of the 80% of the value of the current home, you get to go up to 80% of the projected value of the home after the renovations are complete. So this really comes in handy if you're doing a remodel where you're adding square footage, another bedroom, something that really adds a lot of value to your home. So if you are looking to refinance, pull some money out for a remodel, this might be the right loan for you. So give me a call. Happy to answer any questions and go over it in more detail with you. I'm Richard Simon, owner of AZ Lending Experts, and thanks for watching.